In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I built this pickup here to be my budget shop truck that I use in daily drive. Very fun pickup to drive and something everyone could replicate for around $2,000 depending on how many parts you have to put in it and the shape of the vehicle. First thing we're going to do here on this truck is fix the clutch, hydraulic side of the clutch, and we'll get right to it. New slave cylinder and hydraulic line installed. Rear axle flip kit for this truck. I can go out of there. I think I'm good. Ready? Got the rear end all finished up. Put the brake hose back on. Got the rear flip kit going. All that's left now is to put the new brake hoses on the front. Put a new sway bar end link on the driver's side. And then sometime here we'll have to fix the height difference. The front is just a little bit higher. We'll fix that the quick and easy way. And then we'll clean up the shop here, back it out for a spin, and go take it down to the car wash and clean it up. So one of the last things we're going to do here before we take it to the drag strip on Saturday is install these air shocks that I got from the local auto parts store. It should help level it out a little bit and help with our clearance issue, as I did not C-notch this thing yet, and I will in the future, but I just don't have the time right now, and I need to be able to drive it. So we're going to put the air shocks on, and that should help raise the back end up. And these shocks are not very good to begin with, so we'll get working on that, and hopefully that helps some of our problems here and be able to stop as much bouncing as this thing does. Okay. Got the air shocks installed. With our thing to fill it up right back here by license plate. It's holding 90 pounds right now. So as you can see, we got the lowering kit done on this truck. Got a few more things we need to do. We'll start with the interior. So first we gotta find a seatbelt bolt to get that finished. Then we gotta fix the radio. It's missing the radio receiver. But the interior of this truck came out really nice. The headliner, really nice to look at when you're driving, and cleaned up a lot better than it was when I got it. Some other things we got to do is I want to paint the wheels. They're a little bit crusty. The other side's a little bit worse, but I think that'll help clean up the look of the truck even more. And then we got to put a clutch master cylinder in it and then bleed it again. And lastly, we'll install some of this 3-inch straight pipe to make this 4.3 liter scream. And it should stick out right by the tire here and hopefully add that final touch that we need to this shop truck. Got the cat off, getting ready for this here 3-inch piece of pipe. Got the adapter up on the bench here. We'll test fit everything. Tack this piece together with the 3-inch, and I got a nice clamp put on there and a hanger, and then we'll figure out our angle. So cut it off right here by the quarter. Take it to the chop saw quick and give it a slice. So I got the exhaust finished up last night late, and 3-inch from right by the O2 sensor all the way out back here, and sure makes the V6 scream. So I'll give you guys a sound demo, and then I think we'll go for a couple rips. Only thing left we gotta do, put air shocks on, get everything plumbed up, and maybe take it to local drag strip and test it out. Here's a look at that exhaust that I did the other day. Got our adapter down by where the cat used to be, and then it's just a 3-inch straight pipe. Got our hanger there, just a U-bolt hanger that's self-tapered to the frame on a cross member on the old exhaust hanger, and then I had to cut and weld, basically welded the two bends together so that way it sits right there, and it's pretty rowdy, very loud, and plenty of exhaust diameter for this little V6.
Let her eat.
Loaded down, ready to go to the swap meet. As you guys can see, we got the truck finished up. I've been dailying it for about a month now, I think. Really fun truck to drive. The 5-speed is really nice, gets good mileage, and you can cruise 80 no problem and still do a burnout really easily. We're gonna do one more thing before we're done with this episode, and I think we're gonna try see what these wheels look like. They're a factory OBS Chevy 5-lug aluminum wheel with a dime white. I just want to see if I like the look of it, and we're just gonna try them on and see what we think. And a little sneak peek for next episode, maybe over there on the left. Oh, that's enough of that. And showing you guys too much, but we'll get these wheels on here quick and see what they look like. So I put the wheels on here a little bit ago. I'm not quite sure what to think about them. I like the steel wheels better a little bit, I think, but these don't look terrible. I am glad I put them on, because now I know that I think I'm gonna buy a set of these thin white walls when I put new tires on my steel wheels. Let me know what you guys think about them. I'm not the biggest fan of them, but they don't look terrible. These were a factory wheel option for these pickups. Maybe not this exact one, but a few years older, it definitely was. But I think I'm gonna take these wheels back off tonight since they're really bald, and put my steel wheels back on, and so I can daily drive it, not have to worry about tires or anything. So let me know what you guys think about these wheels in the comments, and we'll keep on working on this shop truck, and hopefully in the next part maybe we'll get to painting the steel wheels.